Turkmenistan is the homeland of warm-hearted Turkmen people residing in the ancient lands of the Great Silk Road. A wealthy land bestowed the world with windfast Akal Teke horses and faithful Alabey sheepdogs. Turkmenistan is a well-visited destination where the native people skillfully elaborated each pattern of the finest Turkmen carpets. Today, traveling along distant roads, guests are pouring in from all over the globe, transforming our white-marbled Ashgabat into one of the world's favorite destinations. The political, economic, cultural, and social achievements earned by Turkmenistan are bespoken in the beautiful image of Ashgabat, which gracefully hosted the 2017 Asian Indoor and Martial Arts Games. Those high ambitions attained during such a short period for the history of humanity were embarked on by our wise president, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov. Sparking off new opportunities for international cooperation and regional developments, resting upon the solid history of age-old political, economic and trade centers such as ancient Merv, Koni Urgenç, and Nisa fortresses, all inscribed in the World Heritage List of UNESCO. Our Turkmenistan is the fourth largest country with natural gas reserves, boasting enormous oil fields along the Caspian coastline. Such potential wealth is the assurance of the bright future of the country and adjacent regions. Our summery homeland is settled at the hub of the tourism bridge, bringing together the peoples of the East and the West to deserve a place at the golden chain of world culture and civilization. Rising from the sun-scorched Garagum Desert, dinosaur-inhabited Khoteng Dagh, lofty Kopet Dagh ranges and soothing Avaza beaches, the tantalizing taste of the travel industry is inflamed with five-star accommodation, yacht clubs, and other sports and recreational facilities to welcome travelers from all over the world. A guest is a godsend, a saying of Turkmen wisdom. Now, the saying becomes true as Turkmenistan greets our dear guests with all due hospitality. Welcome to the country of the golden sunrise.